So, the most anticipated smartphones of 2024 have already made their debut, but 2025 is expected to begin with excitement as Samsung gears up to launch its next flagship lineup, the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. These high-end devices are poised to be Samsung's top non-foldable smartphones of the year and could secure their place among the best smartphones across all brands. While Samsung has yet to confirm an official release date, leaks and past trends offer a clear timeline. Two key leaks point to potential launch dates, January 22nd and January 23. The January 22 date, reported from South Korea, seems more likely when accounting for time zone differences with the United States, where the launch event is expected to take place. Additionally, CES 2025, scheduled from January 7th to January 11th, is unlikely to overlap, as Samsung typically reserves CES for unveiling TVs and smart home products rather than smartphones. Samsung's Q3 2024 earnings report has already confirmed that the Galaxy S25 series will launch in the first half of 2025, narrowing the timeline further. Historically, Samsung unveils its Galaxy S series between mid-January and mid-February. The Galaxy S24 debuted on January 17, 2024, while the Galaxy S23 launched on February 1, 2023. Given this consistent schedule, January 22nd fits well within the expected window. Pre-orders for Samsung's Galaxy S series traditionally open on the same day as the announcement, making it likely that pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 series will begin immediately after the event. Based on Samsung's typical 2-week gap between launch and retail availability, the Galaxy S25 lineup could hit shelves around February 5th if the January 22nd announcement holds true. Even if the timeline shifts slightly, it's reasonable to expect the Galaxy S25 series to be available in stores between late January and early March, setting an exciting tone for 2025 in the smartphone industry. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy S25 series? Share your opinions in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video.